So welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and today's video is going to be on this look right here. I haven't gave y'all a makeup tutorial in a minute, so I was like, let me go ahead, put a wig on, and get y'all this makeup tutorial. And matter of fact, I laid this wig down, okay? This is one of my favorite wigs. I cleaned that wig, I laid it down. I was like, baby, come on, we gotta do a look. And I did do a TikTok video on this look as well because I am going to be promoting set of brushes, y'all. So go ahead and check that out. If it's not up, it's going to be up. So go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, because I'm looking really good on this Saturday. Oh, and these pajama sets, this pajama set is from TJ Maxx, and it's so comfortable. I wish I had these slippers to go with it. Would have topped this off, like, ooh, it's just giving a vibe. Anyways, y'all, I want y'all to get to this look, so if y'all want to see it, keep on watching. Hey y'all, so y'all probably like, girl, where have you been at? Like, you left us with the sunrise sunset with the diamonds, and then you left us with the blue and the lavender. Like, girl, don't just leave us hanging like that. I'm not, girl. I was going through it that whole week, but I did upload a vlog, so y'all see exactly what I was doing. Plus I was doing stuff, so I did do a 3-week March vlog. I'm gonna vlog today, and I think this will be the ending of my March vlog just this week. I guess the 2 days, and I just upload whatever I did. I'll probably go to the coffee shop tomorrow to edit this video or any other videos that I have. But y'all, we probably gonna go outside today. It is 6:03. It is 6:03. I started just on time, like I always do when I do my makeup at 6. It's a Saturday night, and hopefully I'm done by at least 10 o'clock. Okay, it's to get into some stuff. So I want to go ahead and powder my brows because I already laminated them with some brow gel. Tutorial is probably going to be quick because I'm definitely going to skip the brows. I just like powdering my brows down and going right into doing the look. Y'all know that. We don't want no oily brows. Okay, so powder them things. Powder them things. I'm gonna just start getting on here, washing up, and doing fun things. Especially if my hair not done. I don't care. I'm gonna just start doing fun looks. I don't know. I be want my like legs to be laid perfectly. After that blue look and that sunset, the sunset was first. After the sunset and the blue look, y'all probably was like, girl, where's the other looks? Y'all blew that up. When I say y'all blew it up, we are like at the same numbers. And I know numbers don't matter on Instagram. You got all these followers, but why the numbers look like that? This one right here is almost at 10,000 likes. That's the numbers I used to get back when I not back in the day when I very first started, but when I was coming up in Instagram, you know, the makeup community was booming. It should be like that all the time, okay? Seriously. So I don't know, maybe it went to the explore page or something, but I used to stay in the explore page as well. And this blue one is getting up there too. It's at 6. I powder my brows. Y'all not gonna see my brows being done because I do have this brush set right here. Oh, and we're gonna be talking about a new drop that I'm gonna be dropping either this week coming up, not this weekend, but this week coming up, or next week. But we got a drop that's coming up, and I just want y'all to see the sneak peek of it. Okay, I'm just not gonna do these brows on camera because y'all seen them done a million times, but I am gonna use these 2 products. This is the Browtiful Pomade and Espresso and Mochaccino. I'm going to go ahead and take my Be Fizz Beauty icing on the base in the shade Icy number 0. I always tap my lids to make sure it's dry. These will be restocking real soon. That's why I was waiting till everything comes, and I want to drop the new product and also the bases and lip glosses as well. I'm going to go ahead and take my Juvias Place shadow. This color right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this brush and we're going to diffuse it out. Go on my TikTok to actually know how I feel about these brushes. I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all how I do this look. And I'm just going to pack this on with this brush that I told y'all TikTok shop sent. Pack this on and diffuse it at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take this brush right here, and I'm gonna take my Zulu palette by Juvias Place. And y'all already know what color I'm going in. The color that hits pan right here, y'all. Baby, let me tell you, that's my color right there. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did this eye on TikTok, which is reblend this in. So I'm using a different brush for this. These brushes are really good because it's actually diffusing out the makeup. Do y'all see that? Like, and I'm going in circles. So I'm going to go ahead and blend everything else in, and we're going to go ahead and cut it. I'm going to take this and blend it in. I didn't go, as y'all can see, I didn't go all the way over. It's because when I blend it in, I don't want anything on this part right here to be inside that brown shadow. I went ahead and I put translucent powder on the cut because I don't want any of that to crease up. And I'm going to start closing this in. Why is it acting weird? Like, why are you acting weird? So in between the dark shade and that one, I went ahead and took this color right here so that something can be blended. And now I want to go back in. I did go ahead and take my palette to actually put some shadow on the nude, and I took a hashtag nudes right here, and I put it right in the inner corner. Also going to go ahead and put this shade called White Gold on it. Okay, y'all, so it's getting cute. So I did want to add some rhinestones, but I don't know. I'm gonna put these lashes on. These is number 09s. I'll be using these all the time. It's definitely melted. It definitely melted. I like this wig. We're not talking about wigs, but Wiggins wig, this HD lace 8. It's time to do the face. I did go back in right here and like cut it up some more, but y'all just need to hear or there. I really want to get into these blushes, okay? I went ahead and I primed my face. I primed it with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrichment Face Base. This right here, and then after I put that on, I went ahead and took my Power Grip from E.L.F. And then I also went ahead for pores and took my Milk Eclipse Pore Primer. Now, I want to try that new one. It's called Il Maquillage. They say that one is so good. Like, literally, I have pores. And the way to get rid of them, well, to make them really small, is to get, like, chemical peels, stuff like that. While I wait on that, I want to try that Pore Primer. I heard it's so good. It's better than that. And, like, you literally don't see no pores. I need that. two foundations I'm going to be putting on are these. These are the NYX Bear With Me Blur Foundations in the shade Rich and Deep Bronze. But I'm going to go ahead and contour my face first. And yeah, I'm going to come back with everything on. I'm going to go ahead and take my Bare Skin in the shade 25N, Born This Way, Too Faced, and this in the shade Chai. Now I'm going to spray my face down and we're going to blend all of this out. Y'all, I'm telling you, this brush right here, this is called a angled eyeshadow brush. This brush right here is so perfect for the nose. It's crazy. It just did it. That's gonna be my brush for the nose, I'm telling you. I'm going to go ahead and take my bronzer. This is 4 Deep from Charlotte Tilbury. Go in with this one. Okay, y'all, so it's time for the fun part. I am going to put mascara at the bottom of my eyes. I'm trying to see if I should just add up like a pop of color. But for sure, mascara. I have a special product that's going to be coming to Be Fierce Beauty soon. I'm really just waiting on my lip glosses. And also, I'm waiting on my bases. Y'all, I just want to show y'all that we do have a new product dropping, and this new product I've been talking about for a long time. Y'all already should know what product this is, and if you don't, we are dropping blushes. Look at this blush palette. Like, I really have it in my hands right now. Do y'all see this? I have my Diamonds Make Me blush palette. Y'all know my theme is like the diamonds, but diamonds make me blush, baby, because they do. Look. So this is the palette. This is the blush palette, y'all, and right here has a little texture of the blush word. It's so pretty. I made it colorful like this, only because blushes are colorful. I wanted something fun, so I was like, you know what? Let me go with that. And then you have the logo that looks like this. Now, I might upgrade the packaging and stuff like that, but no, I feel like it goes with this blush. When I tell y'all, these blushes are gorgeous. These blushes are gorgeous. Look at this. This is my new blush palette, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. So let's go over these shades, okay, honey? So I'm gonna rip it off. I mean, not rip it off. I took the plastic off so now that y'all can see the blushes, but look at that. These blushes are gorgeous and they are very pigmented. Y'all about to see. Starting with the first one. The first one is called Dinner at Sunset. The second one under it is called I Think I'm Love Stoned. The one above it, which is this pink one, is called Soft Girl Era. Okay, baby. The one under that is called It's My Aura. Okay, because my aura, girl, it's my aura. The one above, well, next to Soft Girl Era, this one is called His Favorite Girl. And the one under that is called I'm Glowing. Okay, and this is purple right here. I feel like I killed the name of the blush palette. Like, I did my thing on the camera. So y'all stay tuned, look at my website. I always leave it down in every video in the description right below. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and take Soft Girl Era and I Think I'm Love Stoned. Look at that. And I'm going to place that. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Y'all, don't apply so much, but don't play with it. I've been using these blushes. I use them all the time, y'all. All the time. Look at that color. Look at that pigment. It just adds to the face. I just love it. And remember, y'all don't have to use a lot like me. I always use a lot. These blushes are blendable. I'm gonna stick beside them. I didn't grab too much, and that's how it looks with not so much blush. But y'all know me, I have to add a lot. So I go in and I'll just pick it up. But these blushes are definitely gonna be a hit. I did go ahead and use all three. So I used this one, this one, this one, and that one. So these three right here. I mixed them all together and used it just like that. They're gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Now I'm about to dust all of this off and we're gonna get right into finishing the face. Look at that blush. Like, it just gets no better than this.
She was brought into my life to teach you so I would love to.
So I'm back. So for lips, I want to take my Sephora liquid lipstick. Y'all know this liquid lipstick. I'm gonna line it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take Nova Beauty Tone lipstick. My favorite, you already know. And I am gonna keep it that way. I'm not gonna add no gloss or anything to this, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment down below. Matter of fact, we're gonna leave a teddy bear on this video. Leave a teddy bear on this video if you made it all the way through. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.